What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Incredibly quick video. If you're playing RV There Yet with your friends and you'd like to have more than just 4 players at a time, here's how you do it. First of all, in the description down below, you'll find a link to my blog where you'll find this article here. Simply scroll down and you'll find this config file. All you need to do is place this config file by downloading it right here, game.ini, or recreating it if you wish, inside of this folder over here, local app data, ride, saved, config, Windows. Yours might be something different to Windows, so you can copy all the way to the end of config. I'll copy this, hold start or the Windows key and press R to open up this run dialog box, and I'll paste it into here. Hit enter, and this will open up your game's save folder, followed by config. Inside of Windows GDK, or whatever you have here, you should see a bunch of configuration files. If you don't already see a game.ini file, perfect. Drag the one that you can download from here into this folder, and inside of it, you can change the number of players you'd like to play with. So you can set this to 16, 24, or whatever you'd like. Save this file, close it. Once this is done, restart your game, and you should be able to play with more than just 4 players. If you have any issues, try and do this on all players' PCs and restart everyone's games, in which case things should hopefully be working properly. If this method doesn't work at all, for which you'll probably find some info in the description or the comments, scroll down to method 2. You can use mods to raise the player cap, and currently there's just one available here, More RVers on GitHub. For this, you will need to install UE4SS, which you can find a link to here, or right over here, for which you'll need to find the latest experimental. Scroll down to the end of this block, down here, expand assets, and then download the latest zip file here. Once it's done, open the zip, and we'll need to extract these into the games folder. So from Steam, right-click RV There Yet, hover over Manage, and choose Browse Local Files. Then simply drag and drop the contents of the zip into this folder here. To uninstall the mod, if you ever have issues, just select both UE4SS and this DWM API DLL file and delete them. Inside of this UE4SS folder, you'll find a mods folder, and here's where we'll need to place the mod. So heading back to the More RVers page, find the latest release, click it, then choose the zip over here, download it and open it. Inside of here, you'll find More RVers, the version, open it. You'll find a mods folder, open this, and finally More RVers. This is what we need to place into that mods folder. So heading back to it, just drag it across as such, and there you go. It's installed. Open More RVers, and inside of here, in the config file, once again, change the max number of players you'd like to have in-game. I'll set this to 16, for example, save, and close. Then, to actually enable this mod, head up a folder into the mods folder, open mods.txt, and at the very end, on a new line, make sure that the name of the mod is included, so More RVers, space, :1 as such. Save the file, close it, and when you restart your game, you should have the ability to invite more than just 4 players. This method obviously takes a lot longer, and at least for now, the config file mod works, so you probably won't need to go through these steps. That being said, in the future, this mod might not be updated, and there could be issues with it, much like the ones reported on here, in which case, newer mods will need to take their place. But yeah, that's really that. Again, you'll find links to this page down below. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.